With smartphone camera modes becoming larger and more exposed, the lens area is easier to scratch in everyday use. And that's exactly why camera lens protectors have become such an important accessory category.
Hi, welcome to TVCMALL. Today we are taking you into the factory to show you how the camera lens protectors are made. A small camera lens may look simple, but there's actually a lot behind it.
Over here is the CNC workshop. This is where precision machines work on the glass to make sure the size is accurate and the camera hole positions are properly aligned. With automatic operation, the process is more stable and sufficient too. Whether it's for Apple, Samsung, Google, or other phone models, the factory can handle different designs, styles, and custom requirements. Once that's done, the glass moves into surface polishing. A special polishing powder for optical glass is used to smooth both the surface and the curved edges, giving the glass a cleaner and more refined finish. After the polishing powder is washed off, the glass is prepared for tempering. There's also a finishing machine that helps make the whole finish look brighter and smoother. One of the key steps is tempering. The glass is placed into the furnace at over 600 degrees Celsius, which helps improve hardness and impact resistance. From there, the glass goes through ultrasonic cleaning. This helps to remove dust and tiny particles, so the glass stays clean before moving further down the line. Each piece is also checked at this stage, and defective ones are removed early to help keep the following steps more stable. Here we have seal printing. Depending on the design, different colors or patterns are printed onto the glass surface. The ink is then baked, which helps make the printing more stable and long-lasting.
After the seal printing, next we have acrylic preparation.
It's worth mentioning that the acrylic material used here is made from Mr. Bish raw material pellets, making this factory the only one in the industry currently using this material. The result is higher transparency, fewer impurity, and a better overall finish.
This is AB adhesive glue. This is a fully automatic lamination machine used for double-sided AB adhesive film lamination. Right here is the laser cutting process. Totally there are 8 machines here.
Based on the size and camera hole positions of different phone models, the acrylic sheet is precisely cut to form the frame structure of the lens protector. Its high-power laser helps improve cutting accuracy while reducing defects such as fleckened edges and burn marks. This step is essential to ensuring a precise fit and a cleaner final finish.
Next, we're entering the clean room. Let's get dressed. Since cleanliness matters a lot in this kind of production, everyone entering the cleanliness room needs to wear this kind of effectiveness dust-free protective clothing.
That helps keep the environment clean and reduces the chance of dust affecting the product.
And here I am, and this part comes the plasma coating. An anti-fingerprint oil is applied to the glass surface here, making it smoother to the touch and helping reduce fingerprint marks. Here they have a clean booth, an environment that is cleaner than a clean room.
This is the lamination process, where the acrylic, gloss, and base layer are bonded together. Fixtures are used to reduce tolerances and alignment errors during lamination. To keep the process stable, any fixture with even slight wear is replaced promptly. And they produce protectors for different phone models, such as Apple and Samsung. Customization services are fully supported, so don't forget to contact us if you have any specific needs.
And finally, inspection and packaging. Every single piece is checked by quality inspectors before it's packed. Only products that meet the standard move to the final packaging stage. As a source factory, it also supports ready stock and has a daily output of about 180,000 pieces.
This factory holds multiple certifications, including design patent certificates and copyright registration certificates, which reflect its strengths in product innovation and IP protection.
This is the testing room.
The main tests here include real device fitting tests, which make sure the product matches the real foam model properly, AB adhesive viscosity and tensile strength tests, which check whether the adhesive has enough bonding strength, edge pressing tests, which evaluate how stable the edge bonding is under pressure, water contact angle tests, which show how smooth the surface is and how well it resists fingerprints, and light transmittance tests, which help confirm that the material maintains good transparency and clarity. Each step is backed by clear data, helping ensure more stable and consistent product quality.
Even though camera lens protectors are small accessories, they are actually a full production process behind it. And for B2B buyers, it's not only about the design or the price. Stable quality, accurate in fitting, and reliable supply matter just as much. Thanks for watching. Follow TVCMALL for more factory tours and more behind-the-scenes stories in mobile accessories. See you!